Welcome friends. Uh, today's video we are going to explore how the three-dimension simulation or transforming air traffic control training majorly here how the pilots are getting the trained in terms of the airport systems and their facilities, operations and the emergency evacuation. This all happening. So this simulation, especially for the pilot and other trainee staffs and the airport related uh, reps. Okay, so who those want to understand the air simply they want to understand the airport systems and they will have some immersive training over there. This is the thing we are going to see in these videos today, and we will see about small brief. Yeah, so we will understand the importance of the air traffic control simulation and the 3D environment. 3D environment improve the training and key technologies that makes simulation realistic and more effective to understand and observe. Then core components of three-dimension ATC tower simulation. In general, here there are some key elements we have it here, which is visual environment, audio cues, interactive systems, and traffic and scenario management, user interface. So this is each part works together to create the immersive and lifelike training experience. So this is the major components and it's how it's going to work together to give the immersive training experience. Visual environment. So 360-degree panoramic tower view and realistic realistic airport layouts like runway, taxiway and terminals. Afterwards, dynamic weather and lighting. That means day and light, fog rain. In our previous video, we've seen that AOS, that is automatic weather observation system. So which is indicates and notifying the weather of the environment. So that is applicable here as well. And the fourth point, it indicates the animated aircraft and ground vehicles, right? So in this particular slide, it which is provides the 360-degree of the panoramic view from the control tower, showing realistic airport layouts including runway, taxiway and terminals, dynamic weather and lighting effects like fog, rain and night mode, day mode, make the experience authentic. Animated aircraft and ground vehicles add to the realism and how it's helping the trainees to make better visual decisions. Next slide. Audio environment. Here, realistic ambient airport sounds and live or simulated radio communications, environmental effect, wind, rain, jet engines, alert systems like runway incursion warnings, right? So sounds plays a major role in the immersion. Simulator including realistic ambience like airport sounds from the jet engine to the wind or rain. Live or simulated radio communication helps the train controllers to manage multiple aircraft efficiency, and there are also alert sounds like runway incursion warning which prepare trainee to real life emergencies. The next slide we are going to see about the interactively interactivity and control system. So this one, it comes interactivity and the brain of the simulator. The interactivity in the sense, the brain of the simulator. Trainees use radar displays and flight progress stripes and binocular simulations for visual identification. They can issue instruction to aircraft using voice or graphical commands. All interactions are designed to feel just like a working in an actual tower simulator. So here, radar displays and the flight progress stripes, mouse, keyboard and touchscreen controls. These are the interactive control systems here. So next slide we are gonna talk about traffic and scenario simulation. Simulation brings the training to life. Controllers face different traffic levels from light to heavy and even emergency situations like engine failure or birds strike. AI controlled aircraft behaves dynamically, helping a trainee adapt the unpredictable conditions. This all logic behind of that. So next one, user interface elements. The user interface is what the trainee interact with directly. It includes aircraft data blocks showing speed, altitude, and call signs, along with the radar overlays and the ground movements. Scenario management menus let instruction adjust traffic or weather instantly. Performance tools and feedback system for continuous improvement. Afterwards, next slide, which is concluding part. To wrap up, 3D environment makes ATC training more realistic and effectively by combining visuals, sound, and interactivity. We create truly immersive learning experience, and technologies like Unreal Engine and Unity, along with the voice systems, all are all key enable in building use next generation training tools. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and here today we learn about the tower simulator. What are the major interactions they are doing for the tower simulators, and um, and what are the major components like visual environment, then audio cues and interactive systems, traffic and scenario managements, and user interface. These all each parts collectively working together to create the immersive and lifelike training environment, and how the trainee staffs want to react in the emergency or evacuation time, in the engine failure or some emergency situation, how they are going to react. These all things we discussed in this video, and yeah, thanks so much for watching these videos, and we will meet you in to getting the another new topic in the next time. Thank you so much and stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.